Hey everybody, this is Leetcode question 177. This is a SQL question, and the dialect I'll be using is Postgres. Now we have the question here, which is we have an employee table, and there are two columns in this table. We have an ID column and a salary column, and ID is the primary key, and we have a salary column which contains the salary of an employee. And what they're asking us to do is to find the nth highest distinct salary from the employee table. And let's try and solve this. So what we will try and understand is, so they've given us a example here. So we have ID, and then we have salary here, and we have ID here. Let's say this is 100, and for two we have 200. And the question becomes extremely simple if we think like this, right? So they're asking us to get the nth highest. So if we had a subtable of salary and the ranking of each salary value in the table, so let's just call it rank. So let's say we had in this order, right? We have 200, and we had the rank as 1, and we had 100 as the rank as 2. This question now becomes extremely simple, right? So all we have to do, so let's say we call this as our subtable, right? Let's say subtable, and which we will construct in a moment. So say we had this table, and the question just gave us, this would be select salary, and we could say salary, or let's say st.salary, right? We'll give an alias from the subtable. So let's say from subtable st, where the rank, where st.rank equals n, which is given in the question, and I could say limit one, so that we have one value just returning. Now, if we are able to construct this table, our question just became extremely simple. So we will do that. So for this, I just have to write I can either do it inside here, but I'll just create a CTE or common table expression. So I'll just say with subtable as, and I'll do this. And what do we need? So we need the salary and rank, right? So I'm going to say select e.salary because I'm selecting from the employee table. And what I need is a rank from employee, right? E here. And how do I construct the rank, right? So I need to give same values for, or same rank for same salary values. So I can just use dense rank, right? And or what do I want to apply this, right? So how do I want to actually create this? How do I want to order my values? I want to say order by e.salary, and I want it in the descending order, right? Because we need salary as 200 on the top with rank 1, with salary 100, which is the next or the lowest value or lower value with the next rank, right? So we have e.salary. So if you look at this subtable here, we have e.salary and the rank, and we are ordering it by the descending order, right? So let's just try and run this. This should ideally work. So let's just remove or just comment this here. Let's see if there are any errors. Okay, the test case has been accepted, and we'll run submit this. Okay, it seems all the test cases have passed. I feel like writing a CTE much more readable than the inline solution. So feel free to use any. Thank you so much for watching.